Adam Golebiowski, you are Managing Director at ICG Real Estate. Thank you for joining us on BiTV. ICG Real Estate has launched, alongside Paris-based investor and asset manager Atlantic Real Estate, a new investment platform that will target a 500 million plus portfolio of last-mile logistics and light industrial assets across Greater Paris. What will be the strategy for this new venture?
So the new venture fits within our real estate opportunities business, which I run. And the real estate opportunities business is a value add and opportunistic strategy targeting the mid-market, so 50 to 150 million equity tickets, and targeting returns of 15% plus. We see the French markets and especially the light industrial space to be a very attractive destination for capital and occupiers. So the objective of that platform is going to be to create a vehicle which will create relevant real estate for occupiers and a meaningful scale for investors willing to gain exposure to that sector. We are seeing this sector to be very diverse and dispersed, and there's little, I would say, consistency that we see probably in markets like the US or the UK. France is not consolidated, and by consolidating that market, we believe we can create an infrastructure which is relevant in today's environment, and also which will be more in line with the expectations of today's occupiers.
Interesting. Therefore, maybe the question is, what are the market fundamentals that you're looking to target through this investment strategy?
So when I look at Europe as a whole from a macro perspective, France is ranked third after the UK and Germany in terms of e-commerce penetration, in terms of rental levels, in terms of, I would say, the demand fundamentals are there. I think France will continue to see a lot of growth in the e-commerce space. Obviously, the French manufacturing sector is going to be reshoring increasing amounts of its production into France. That is our expectation. And that will create a very positive future tension around the sort of last mile logistics, urban logistics, and light industrial spaces. And by targeting these sort of new trends which are coming into the market, we do expect future rental growth. I see no reason why Paris should be less than half of rental levels from London or German cities. So we are seeing extremely positive demand fundamentals going forward in the long term. Of course, with the economy, there might be the occasional blip, but if we are taking a 5-year plus perspective on the market, I think France is an excellent place to invest in that strategy.
Okay. The venture is seeded with a portfolio of 26 assets, representing approximately 100,000 square meters. Can you tell us more about this first acquisition, and maybe also where we can expect you in France going forward?
Sure. So this first acquisition was done in partnership with Atlantic Real Estate, which is a business founded by Fabien Evasion and Yoel Citron. And both these gentlemen have been my partners in the past, very long time ago. So we were delighted to be in partnership again. And we are going to continue to grow that platform, either through development of new assets or by the acquisition of existing assets. So I would say a two-pronged strategy to the growth of that platform. We are most likely to target the main population centers in France. So I'm thinking Paris, Lyon, Marseille, but also some of the very dynamic, economically growing centers from the west of France, for example. And we will continue to acquire assets progressively, and we'll take advantage of the opportunities which the current market environment is creating for us.
That's all the time we have. Adam Golebiowski, thank you for joining us on BiTV, and thank you for your insight. Thank you all for joining us, and see you soon on BiTV.
Thank you.